Namaste Yogis. Kumbhak Pranayama. Today, which is for advanced yogis. So, in our working, as we work with breathing system, so according to Maharshi Patanjali, who mentioned that you should practice Kumbhak on daily basis. So, Kumbhak is done in which you may hold your prana or your breath internally or externally. I have separate videos on Antar Kumbhak. Antar is a Sanskrit word which is called internal, and the second one is Vahya Kumbhak. So, Vahya Kumbhak you practice when you hold your breath externally. So, Kumbhak, the meaning is very clear. Kumbhak is means it means to restrict, means you're stopping your breath or you're pausing. And now it comes, why should you practice Kumbhak and which Kumbhak you should practice? So, for a beginner, a person who is totally new, yoga for beginners, they don't know, they're not aware which Kumbhak they should start with. So, a nice working is why your Kumbhak is quite easy, in which you take a deep breath, you exhale out, without any extra effort. The bandhas, they are different, but in beginning, just to be patient and to practice to hold your breath externally. And you can also check the level of your lungs, how strong they are, at least 10 seconds, 20 seconds. But you try. If you reach till 30 seconds, that's the advanced level. Please put in comments if you are working more than 20 seconds, then I can guide you what's the next state. So after this Vahya Pranayama, you take a deep breath, you exhale longer. So this is the phase after Vahya or internal, how to make your pattern neutral, normal. Now we show you Antar Kumbhak. Antar Kumbhak is for intermediate and advanced practitioners, means who are in yogic practice for not for a very long time, but with a good timing. For Antar Kumbhak, we will hold breath internally. This is the only difference. So not to be confused, for beginners, just to feel prana and then go beyond. That's the main working. So for Antar Kumbhak, I want you to check your prana, to go with your prana in and stop. Now the question arises how to focus, how to feel prana. You will feel on your diaphragm. Nothing to worry about. Same in swimming pattern. You try to extend your breathing system. That's all. So you're controlling your prana, which is the main working of Hatha Yoga, and then you exhale longer. This working is very effective for your nervous system. When your nervous system is under your control, your nerves will be calm. Automatically, it works. People who are depressed, this is very effective for depression. The people, mostly they become so introvert that they don't want to look out. Introvert is a nice thing in yogic practice, but to be social, to use your energy in good working, not to be totally in, that you close everything. So Kumbhak has a very nice working on your personality to glow, to reveal your real attributes, to bring them out. So to practice Antar or Vahya Kumbhak, as per your level. What depends? It depends your level. Then three bandhas they come. Mool Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh. But that's a different topic. At the moment, for beginners, how to start, how to come on that level that you start to feel your prana. And Kumbhak means to extend as well what you are doing, you are expanding your aura. When you stop, when you avail that force, automatically the reverse is your energy start to flow up, it goes up. So people who are practicing Sushumna, for Sushumna, this is very important because Sushumna has the force and how to control that force. So Kumbhak is one of the ladder. It helps you to climb up. And as per Swami Ramdev, he mentions Kumbhak is a regular basis practice which should be done with empty stomach. This is one of the important things you should remember that Kumbhak needs to be practiced in early morning when you have empty stomach without having anything into the body because Kumbhak needs that expansion and your prana will work deeply when you're practicing in a proper way. The benefits of Kumbhak, I have separate video. You should go. I will put the link in description. So please watch those videos. You have exact idea what Kumbhak does. If you have any queries, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to put comments below. And if you like the video, please press the like button. And thank you for watching. Namaste.